The instinctive center is located at the lower part of the spine, and it's responsible for coordinating all the processes of physicochemical assimilation, tasting, digestion, blood circulation, cell regeneration, that's to say, body's natural intelligence. But there also exist conservation instincts, sexual instinct, repulsion instincts, feeding instinct, etc., which are also coordinated by this center. The ego, or the psychological I, also dangerously acts in this center to be fed and subsist. There are much perversities in our instincts, instinctive subhuman forces that paralyze the true spirit of love and charity, which are innate values in every human creature. These egoic forces must first be understood, then submitted and eliminated. They are beastly, instinctive, criminal, lusty, coward, fear forces. The real cases of violent emotion are when a person acts practically unconsciously, possessed by one of these egos or I's, which makes him commit all kinds of atrocities that the person later doesn't even remember. The emotional center is located in our solar plexus and is responsible for coordinating the emotional functions. The ego manifests in this center through negative emotions such as anger, hate, jealousy, guilt, fear, sentimentalism, nostalgia, etc. That's why we need to self-discover our emotions, study them and understand them in order to avoid that these negative emotions control and negative condition our life. The ego tries to manipulate us through these emotions and subdue us to their own hidden desires and intentions. We must also avoid the dire impressions caused by strident music, morbid conversations, movies or programs with violent content, pornography, poor novels. We must take care of the energy of the emotional center. Don't waste it on emotionalisms or negative emotions that always end up damaging our physical organism, somatizing, causing diseases and all kinds of imbalances in our life. A person who gets carried away by negative emotions becomes a deceitful person for himself and in the end becomes a liar. We can balance the activity of the emotional center when we are able to restore the natural harmony of the organism. To do this, we can daily practice meditation, which is an ancient discipline which makes us connect with the deeper and purest areas of ourselves.